Hi, firstly let me introduce myself. I'm Graham Evans, author and creator of Help a Learner Driver. I'm a fully qualified grade A driving instructor and my driving school has won various awards over the last 4 years. Why am I telling you this? Because I want you to trust in the fact that I actually know what I'm talking about. Throughout the course, I've developed the course over the last few months for the simple reason lots of people are reluctant to sit with a learner driver and let them practice. There's various reasons they don't want to do it. For example, they feel unsafe, or they're unsure what their actual role is. Or it could be they don't want to pass on any bad habits or upset the actual driving instructor. So if you fit into any of these problems, this course is definitely for you. Please, please, please remember though, this course is not showing you how to teach somebody to drive. That's the driving instructor's job. This course though will show you how to be a supportive participant in being an accompanying driver. What's it all about? It's going to cover the legalities involved, the basics of driving, which hopefully your learner driver will already know from the driving instructor. It will also explain in plain English what the learner should be doing, along with explaining and demystifying the driving test. For everybody that purchased this course, we're giving you 2 fantastic bonuses which are worth more than the full cost of this course. So if you really want to save somebody learning to drive a lot of money, probably hundreds of pounds, and help them pass faster by taking extra actual driving lessons without ruining any personal relationships, then this course is definitely for you. Thanks for watching and please click the button and purchase this course.